What up, though? Hey, we live in front of SOFI. Oh man, that is way too close to my face. Get out of there. No filters. This is literally a recap of what we covered on Monday. If you're not in my Discord, KGU, and you're only on like YouTube, I try my best to drop like short videos to let y'all know what time it was. If you were able to grab SOFI puts or SPY puts, put a 1 in the chat or a fire emoji. Let me know. I want to know who ate off the play. Let's get to it. All right, let's talk about SOFI first. Monday morning before open, you guys got a notification. SOFI had already went into this supply zone, right? I said we would be looking for puts at open. SOFI fell like a rock on Monday. Then Tuesday comes, hit a stop loss right here. It triggered my stop loss on 2 of my 3 contracts, but I left a runner. The next morning came falling like a rock right into our demand zone. I was actually looking at the SPY at the time, but we opened up, hit our demand, and we start to wick up. You see the line. I said that we could come on down to SOFI, and if we were to break through the demand zone, we would likely see like a wick back into it, which would be a slingshot towards the upside. And this is kind of what happened, right? Fell into demand. The buyers live here. This is an aggressive zone, and we took off. So I grabbed a $22 call option. So anyway, SPY's taking off right now. But anyway, SOFI. We have earnings coming up on the 29th. That's why we're dollar cost averaging into the position. What I hope to see, even though I'm in calls right now, I am not afraid, and I would love to see SOFI come on down and live in the demand zone. If we fall below the take profit target on SOFI, I will cut my position and I will wait for SOFI to finish falling, and then I would load the boat up in here somewhere for as long as I see the proper price action that would warrant a move like that. Hopefully that makes sense. But if we continue, it is what it is. I'm happy because I'm in a play based on my technicals, right? We're above a 21-day EMA and we ricocheted off of demand. So now these two should be playing catch. Supply should be throwing it to demand. Demand should be throwing it to supply, and it should do that until we see earnings, and then it'll break up and out or down and out. So either which way, the levels are the levels. Please do me a favor and hit the like and subscribe button if you could.